Okie dokie now. Today I'm going to show you how to take lead off the wall. This is all you're going to need. Let's do this. Now, all you're going to be doing is scraping that lead until there's nothing else that's loose and that nothing else that's scraped off. So you can see there's still stuff coming off, but it's not much. So these places right here, these were the worst places. This stuff, it's gonna be fine. Now, one thing you want to notice is you want to wear the proper PPE. I'm wearing gloves, I'm wearing goggles, I'm wearing a mask, I'm wearing, should be a long sleeve t-shirt and pants and boots. Okay, but I've got a t-shirt on, but you know, cover up your skin, whatever, you know, want to wear a blanket around your head or whatever. Whatever you need to do. But you can see, I'm going to turn you around now. So you can see on the wall here, here's a bunch of lead. Okay, now that lead it's loose. You can see how it's loose and it's flaking off the wall. Well, up here, all this stuff, it's not flaking off the wall. This stuff's all solid, so I'm going to keep it. This is completely, I've scraped all the lead-based paint completely off to where it's just bare paper from the sheetrock underneath the lead, okay? But these places are stuck on good, so I'm going to save those places. You can see here, I got to scrape this, I got to scrape this. You know, you got to scrape it inch for inch and get all that off of there, all the way around the room. You can see over here as well, I have to scrape off all this. Okay, I have to scrape off all this. Look at all that. I got to scrape off all that and go all the way around the room inch for inch. But that's all I'm going to show you in this video is that little example right there. And that's what you want to get when you're scraping lead off the wall. You want to get it completely scraped off and get it flush. Now, if you want to see how to fix this, I'm making a new video on that and on how to skim coat over lead-based paint. And I'll be making another video after this one in the continuation of how to fix this. So if you're curious on that, you can subscribe to the channel and follow along. If this video was helpful in any way, go ahead, there's nothing to it. Just put on a mask, gloves, and get ready for it because it's going to be dusty, and scrape it off. And you can keep the places that are good, and then you can skim coat over it or put some new wall, whatever you want to do over it, really. I'm going to be showing you how to fix it and make it look just like a smooth wall, sheetrock smooth wall. So if you're curious about that.
It's the fastest who get paid, and it's the fastest who get laid.
To be in Tulsa this evening, and this next chorus is for you guys. I love you so much. Cause I'm living at God's. We're only God and my mama know what I need. And I feel the hardwood floors on my knees. Well, as I beg you just to take it easy on me.